Where the camera again? Not be weak or some more.
Well, good evening and welcome on Top the Night Show for today. Will be 9th of March 2015. My name is Nanedu and a score for Katim Deba my
You get on correct today.
Yes.
Nedu say 9th of March.
And a score of Katim Deba my right. And Easy Beats there already. In case you wonder why Easy Beat not start.
No, leave them. Oh, God cash all of una today. Una they wait to see Easy.
Anyway,
Easy no day. We don't hijack. Easy
our computer be said, you know, on a computer, their head they touch. If not by human being waka, we for don't start show normal time. But computer do some kind point waka, and I make us not start quick. But instead of make we do other things we were supposed to do before we start show, we just enter the show proper straight up now. Because we get person when they be say, as today na Ministry Monday. We'll call somebody when they say will come, follow us, discuss things when they say concern business matter. We go help that your small business make it for grow, make it get body, make it add weight like Pastor's boss, make it not be like When I don't see like Pastor's boss before.
No, you know what make it carry your business to another level.
Oh, you know that exactly. You understand? But that's true now. So that may not be like I go die. You know I go die be like person waiting. I go die 18. I go die be like person where they advertise for AIDS. You understand what they feel you say do AIDS ambassador? Yeah, Eagles. That's what they did. So that your business go there very casual. English they call them brand strategies. Meaning say na in the if one explain brand strategy, how you go take explain them?
Brand strategy, in other words, now that kind of thing we go help you do your business, make you do Jackie Chan.
You never just talk anything.
No.
You
ask me question. This is my exam question. In other words, now the level where you go carry your business, make it come do like Matrix.
Yeah. You know talk about Easy Bits. Explain.
Okay.
Discuss the term brand strategy.
In not less than 30 words.
No. In not less than 100 words.
Okay.
Explain the terms brand strategy.
Brand strategy. Now that's
brand strategy.
Calm down, John.
You can fool yourself.
Brand strategy. Now that package where we say you go give your business or whichever thing where you do the thing make money, you go give them more weight, or you go carry you go to the next level. You can't make you different
the next level of
from other. Yeah, you go blow.
Yeah.
You can't make your own different from other people. Now we think that they call brand strategy. So you go feel them.
See me in my office. See me in my office.
For what?
See me in my office. Anyway, as usual, now Ministry Monday. So we'll bring person when they present a brand strategy. CB. Today na Monday, when they will help make your things for better. We'll bring Oga Chike Nwokoye. I beg, gonna follow us. Welcome, Chike Nwokoye.
You do so. If like Pastor's boss say hold you.
I tell and say I know
They break you.
No, they cannot like Pastor's boss. She can just sit down on top of me. My intestine go come out.
Because you know say that the fullest body, slimmest woman where I see for this.
You see, he don't follow our piece.
Fullest body, I don't talk.
Fullest body, slimmest woman.
So na very good example be that for branding.
No, well, with this branding thing, where we enter, because all this talk, you don't say, and again, my pigeon no strong like Udaodo because you know they crack about there.
I mean, okay, go sit down. You don't get present for this Lakers when no sabi blow pin.
You sure? This one way they chop out like this, they do just they chop and spit out about. Okay, I go try join do that for inside the bathroom.
Anyway, we go hand over to you now. This one now for building businesses with small. For example, people when they say want to start their business, we either say they get small money or the business what they do is still they small. How they go take care of their business, go to the next level? Plenty questions. Then because of say we'll start show late today, so we'll go just do one. Then next week Monday we'll go continue from where we stop. But today we'll go just chook eye on top branding.
Okay.
What thing can be? You know say this branding. Neru the thing say it get sense. You never define the branding. Now me and Isi can't define.
You not get them
in our own words. Excuse me. Allow the maga or the teacher me.
Maga.
Make the maga our paper.
Oh Joel. This time they have me.
Now some question. No, you don't say discuss to Isi. Isi can't enter.
You not define. You see you not define. 9 days easy. Not even get them.
Now I say in other words.
Easy bit has marks. You are here. Carry over.
That's why I said, in other words,
Maybe I think I'm busy.
Marco, hand over to the person when they say get away. Okay, hand over to you.
Okay.
You go tell people when they say get business or we get small business. Well, people say we get big business. How they go take brand their business so that the market go move to the permanent site. Hallelujah, somebody.
Okay.
Are you there?
I'm there.
Maybe we start for the first thing. Maybe say, what is branding? Because for here now, you don't talk, say, nah, this one, don't talk Jackie Chan. I could just take one small story, just explain them. Because even people wey go book, wey no book, people wey they get one day where my papa look me, say, this thing where they talk branding, where they talk. Okay, about this branding, sir.
Branding branding.
So may I just take this small story, just talk am. Now, may we take simple thing like agege bread.
it is sweet, though.
No, with beans now.
Hey! You are too much.
I'm street boy.
You don't chop agege bread for London
before.
before.
What did they talk? You go London chop agege bread. Where you see them?
For London.
Your soft, yeah.
You know, if you go London.
For where?
You don't show it for London. Where you pass
Under that bridge.
Only for London.
You know the ocean for London under that bridge. One woman they call her Mrs. Peckle.
Mrs. Speckle.
She get body like that.
And he give you bread.
I want for you. I give you bread.
Something like your dream on for real you did. Okay, baby, take the now. You don't say agege bread full market. Now, you know how many people where they make agege bread? You don't know. You just see say agege bread just
they sell.
Now the issue where they be say agege bread now. This size na 50 naira, this size na 70 naira, this size na 100 naira.
You know how the price.
I be street boy. All na agege bread. Now, the question where they be say, what if this person sabi make agege bread past this person? And the person sweat past this person. But all na agege bread. Now agege bread they make. So you know if you bring, even if you sweat pass, even if you sabi make bread pass, if you bring and come market, how you want tell say the other person say may you pay you 80 naira where other people they sell 70 naira.
Exactly.
Now, basically, branding now all the things where you fit do on top whatever you they do, whatever handwork you they do. Because the truth where they say people they think say if it be product where you do, but if it be service, the truth where they be say even you as you be like this. Now person you be, but now all the things where you go do on top yourself, as we be, as the team plenty for market, how you want do say anybody fit know say na Iyarisika they make this bread. Now the first thing we they call them identification.
Okay.
All the things where you go do to identify so that you go know say na Iyarisika they make this one. Then also for all the bread where they fit know say this one, this bread different from these ones. So now identification and differentiation. Because the truth we're there today, think of when we be small picking, if they send you, you go buy soap. Now one soap day. But today, if you reach market, it be like 10.
There are many.
So if you know, now what they call pretty good syndrome, today, market don't break it. And you wake up now, we talk, say, oh, I be small business, I want to enter business. Your idea, yes, if it new small. But if today they go talk say no idea is new under the sun. How you want take make person know say nah you be this. How we want take know say nah Nedu be this. How Nedu want plenty people there where they talk this talk. Plenty people there where they crack, this, do this joke. But how Nedu they do where it be say I go think say I won't do this kind of thing. Now only they do on only cutting. Or if I want get some kind of groove, now only this bros we put this earphone for phone go fit rock. Basically, now but the thing you people go think say this thing a small thing. Today, before now, you feel just talk say some people will talk say wash is even brighter
than
and today all of them they wash where? What do you want to talk?
Now Trisha, all of them they wash where now.
The work now more of waiting. You go enter the consumer sense. Say, waiting you want, say, waiting the people need. And from that point, you go fit know how you go take, separate your own. But you also, you go look your own thing. Say, okay, other people, they do this kind of thing. How I feel, waiting they unique. Now, another thing where you come, waiting they unique to this matter. Now, then you go take look, do these two things. Identification one, differentiation so that you fit charge waiting they call premium. Now, if you get other people they charge 17 naira, you won't charge 18 naira. You know fit charge 18 naira if you know get something where if you tell people.
Where you go fit take and make mouth.
Now we they talk before we enter the show. Some people they talk as how they enter red carpet, the host red carpet, all those kind of things. And I don't know the money where you collect for that thing, but you get one time where they run streets. I know you that time where your head strong. But now you don't do some kind of things where they call branding now. Even this thing where you put for
they don't know you finish. So it's a golden fish has no place to hide.
So,
nowhere.
All those small things. But again, it go take time. Small, not be so
open.
Because another thing where we get for Nigeria, we say we go one do put on just quick.
Sharp.
That thing a small, little drops of water consistently we go make a mighty ocean.
And to add this in where they talk, for example, make I talk am for the level where I know am. Yeah. For example, for comedy, I did comedy industry. Okay, apart from say I be comedian, I the MC events, I the MC weddings and the rest of them. Now, if you check out Basket Mouth did there, Buffy did there, and Julius and the likes of them did there, it get people where even crack joke funny past those guys.
Yes.
But because of say people not know them, they're not brand themselves well, they're not poof themselves well. Because of say Basket Mouth get that branding, it don't put itself there.
So from Shita, it don't enter where now? London. You don't understand. So that identification where people don't take noam, now you make that thing where you can call premium. You go charge. That thing now don't add more money. If you collect 100K now, in money now, as you don't poof now, no talker, my brother.
You understand?
Because that money the
money is born again.
Okay, now so as you don't talk now, how person go enter? Me I fast forward as when I don't talk now. How person go get that very branding? How person could align himself, put himself together?
You know, now, different process. I go start with one. The first one where we go start with first and foremost. Now, what thing we they call definition. Because another thing where they be say, you want start business. The thing we just day your mind be say, oh boy, I want make money. Which one they move. But yes, now waiting they happen. Because if they happen where people will come meet you say, oh boy, I don't start business 5 years. This business will they move. You go ask and say, okay, why you start this business for beginnings?
Because
tell you say, they make money. That guy they make money. The question where they be say, you be that guy. You know whether he gets some things where they are like this man now. Maybe we're talking. Let's take Organidu now. Now brand he don't be because if he attract value.
So I said like this, they do be brand.
Not brand now.
Yeah, brand they do.
Not try me. Not try me. Jesus.
Organidu, may I ask you, what thing you study for school?
Animal.
Accounting now study for school.
Accounting. Oh, you be like me now, but we can't via.
My brother.
2 or 3 of us study accounting.
So Nigeria make me know say, nah, I will go me here.
See as the thing be. In study accounting, but he can't check and say, in defining himself when he come out, he say this thing. If you don't make money, if you don't reach the place, because the key thing where they be say, yes, as much as say we won't make money, and me they tell people say, your first focus be how to make a difference,
May you
how
stand
to
out.
touch your world, because this man don't look say if you just did this, they count money. Tomorrow when I get shortage, they go collect it out from they cut my money. Say waiting I get where other people no get. So I can't talk say it's where I get where other people no get an amount. Then the first stand say, okay, may I just start to the drum? May I just start to the talk anyway? Say no, I get plan. So he sit down say, now here I won't reach 20 years. Now where I won't reach 50 years. It can't stand for here. Talk say which steps I go take.
We go make me reach
there. Then small by small, you don't they take the steps. They take the steps. You go see people where they blow. You go think say, they tell somebody from my office, two baba. I know when two baba. I know two baba back then when we they rock the streets.
Oh, but how you they know these people?
No,
you don't know them. You don't know.
I grow for
if we ask you now,
you nobody Thomas. We grow for streets now. Without street boys, we be now.
Still on streets, baby.
Still on streets. No wonder your mouth sharp like this. that time when people start, they do CD, they scratch CD. So you don't think I'm say, like say I won't go international. And you know say, to go international, I must they play with band. Now it take now defining be that
define
it define waiting in one.
This now waiting I want.
So it started to put the team. When the time come, it makes no fit sing. They talk. They play key.
Track 2.
Key for F. They sing for A.
He made DJ track 2. Meanwhile, for him, if he go live band, he go even kill him.
So now the branding way you don't they see. Now they don't they call him too baba. People don't they hail him. People think say now today. Now lie. Get time when if you see Two Face that time.
My brother.
I know you too. You know, brother, I know you that time too.
Now only head remain for inside.
Yeah, I know him that time now. So.
They don't blow now.
Nah, so
fresh.
You don't they talk all. So that's we now maybe we just start for that place. Maybe people start to think. But if nothing, you not take anything away from this place. Branding. Now all the things where you go put together over a period of time, so that people fit identify you.
Okay.
Then for other people where they do things where they similar to you, fit differentiate. You go they different, you go they unique, because say you want attract value, or you want fit charge premium, so that other people feel they sell 17 naira.
Because of.
So in other words, so this branding, you say if you want to brand yourself now, may you not think of to blow immediate.
You
No,
go take time.
You go take time to blow.
You must do some work. You must.
Okay. Make I ask now, branding now like differentiating yourself from every other person. For instant example now. You get what in person do one time.
I think so you won't call easy bit.
No, not be easy bit. You get what in person do one time. I can't reason now. I say branding. I feel call them packaging.
No packaging.
You know, say packaging for street or street language, you feel call and package, but for when we reach the matter, packaging is just one part.
One part of branding.
Price, now part of your, because the truth where they be say, look at like this. If you, the kind of thing where they sell, now this kind of money, it be, if think I'm now, if I they sell banga soup, and now people for, say AJ City they chop them. I can't they charge 5,000 for one plate.
You know
go chop them.
You know go sell.
So all these things
join inside.
All these things inside the matter.
No. What make me want to talk what I want to talk? We say why I talk packaging, because that day we dey inside studio we dey talk. Now, one girl and with N6. The girl say no, say na rice where then cook for one eatery. I don't call the eatery for free advert purpose. Is nine one chop. Nine N6 cost okay. No wala. Come call Victoria. Say make Victoria go the booker where they down the street here.
Yes.
Come buy fried rice. Put them for pack. As he put them for pack, he make it go inside kitchen straight. Pour them for plate. Karen can give the girl. He pour them for plate. The girl chop palm. Say man. Say this for rice sweet die.
Meanwhile, in things say
meanwhile na for booker, then buy them.
Okay, but in things say na that place where they
that place. So I think we dey see now. Not packaging be this branding.
In that part of the thing, but may I just give you one line why that kind of thing they work. For this kind of business we talk say perception na reality. As the
wait me perception.
Perception na the way when you take see something.
The way you take see
because. They don't put them for inside plates. In mind, don't talk, say, don't perceive,
this thing go sweet.
Now, it go sweet one, say they buy them for one place where AC they blow and all those kind of things. So now, why you see, say sometimes, we go enter some kind of place, we go chop the food now 200, the AC and the other things now 800.
Wait, make I talk about it. Anyway, this one happened to me.
On top this kind of hot liquor son.
This one happened. It happened to Tuebi. It happened to me. Tell you now inside this way you talk to now. I go when I first come Lagos for first tack. I can't go one place. I see the place fine. I think as I do that for Kaduna, I say it be. I saw enter make I go barb hair. I know even price. I just sit down. As in the barb hair. They don't barb my hair. Go half. I don't know what they can carry my head. That's why I turn. Now I see price list. 3,000.
Hey. They go massage your head.
Meanwhile, before I snap up, they don't give me juice. I dey drink. Now I call.
You said you don't think
no now. I say okay, if I Lagos, Far packaging, you know.
There's no free lunch. How you go keep
nobody that they give me juice. And they drink the thing. I call now I see the price. Now I call say, waiting be this. He said, okay, no, that's a I don't know, I beg, waiting, it's in a price list. I said 3K to Bab here. I can't drop the drink. I can't say if I drop the drink now, how much? It's in a still 3K.
Nobody, you know, now where
but
you
don't
now.
cut your hair half, they go now.
But
I still pay that money.
maybe we look at like this. But now where you there now, you feel go that place, go Bab here.
No, of course. I go even go to the place. In fact, where are they even? Okay, make I not talk, make it not be like say.
No, talk now. No, they do
No, continue.
Now,
is it you know what I'm about to say?
No,
see,
no, I don't know.
You know, say we talk.
I don't know, they do.
We talk. Say we go. You go look some definition. Now it gets some kind people we know say where men they barb hair. Now also where men they talk. Pass. Now waiting what they call target market. You look some kind men where see to cut here for 3K.
So no be the money you.
No be the money.
Nah,
you
nah,
dey
prospect.
because the truth where they be say maybe that guy where they try meet for inside the office. Now they
Now
cut
that place you go, the goofy go meet them, they cut
so
hair.
they don't
everything
have-
na strategy.
Now part of this, so he gets some kind people where that he meets. Then he also get people where they cut at 150 because that
150,
heat,
17 naira, 18 naira, 15 naira, quack.
blade, all that is. The place no be for that one. Now to cut a commode. But everything get target.
You fit go
market.
that kind. Cannot talk like that. That kind place. You fit go there, go see the woman of your dreams.
Yes,
In that
and you
place
know
of
again,
15 naira,
check
my
them again.
brother.
If you they look for woman of your dreams, the place where they cut at 3,000 and the
You
one
no
of
go see am.
150.
Na that
The
150
woman of
on.
your dreams, that woman of your
Wait, 150.
You see her for 150.
Now the 300 naira on when if you go tell you, baby, my head first of all is Peru. Peru is like 300,000. And for them to come with them again, you are paying half money of land. When they pay me pass, you say you go pay that money finish. 2 weeks after they get go do like this.
Oh, that one. No talk about. Yeah, madam. Okay, my friend.
Anyway, now back to this thing before we carry our car come out because we're not to get time. Now, in totality, now, waiting people will get small business. We want make their show. I say show. Hey.
Now,
They
so
don't
honest.
enter. They don't enter.
We
level.
want make their business, make it get, make
get level.
Make it get level, just like EasyB TikTok. Make it they different from every other. Make the brand add. Waiting them go do.
The truth where they be say, it gets like processes where you go start first to ask yourself. First question where you go ask be say, okay, this thing where I get now, waiting it be. You get something where we ask for truth. May I tell you, okay, like one night, get one drink where I work on one time. The thing where unique for the team be say, all other drinks they mix them with water. This one, they brew them. And so because they brew them, it gets head where like foam.
Okay.
Now the thing where unique, and now the thing where we take start.
Sell the thing.
Then the next thing where you go talk, say, we can't look at me again. Because you say, this one natural, oh. Now you go look, say, people don't they look, say, all these artificial things, we don't want to drink them again, no. Now, only natural things. So, you where they carry market come out, you go, look am well. Look for...
As you day so like this, you don't blow. Because nothing when you look of it sell.
To add this
well,
way,
we thank God, oh.
to add this way, to add to
They
this
do
way
without
talk.
God,
No, but to add to this way talk, if it is not a free advert they give the people who won't call their name, it not mean. Now just for now, make you understand what they talk. Now, you get one drink one day before origin. Where people they take alomo, people they take alomo bitters or ogidiga, they take but it not to take because of people where do origin, the branding where they give them, put them for can, put them for some kind bottle. Origin take every market now.
Well, that's
for the meantime, all na branding, no be so.
All na branding.
All na branding. Person go say, okay, all na branding. So, you know, fit they do branding, can they comfortable? Because as you they comfortable, another person they think of
exactly when you pass your own.
Consistently.
Okay.
No
Consistently.
be high BP be that.
If you want
BP.
move from level to level, picking where now one it be today, now one it still be tomorrow, now one it be next tomorrow.
They follow for village.
Something they do.
One girl talk for Twitter he say Pearl Adu go say a question be say she had this passion of starting an entertainment business, but she need guideline.
Well, those ones time not go today for that. Maybe next week we'll do that one.
Okay.
But quickly, since now only branding, we they do. How I just like I asked earlier, person just start business. We don't start or we won't start. What you go give? Which kind of idea you go give the person that we go make in business stay different before we go?
Say one, you go look say which kind of business should they do. Which kind people fit use the.
Yeah, what you right? You want to do business?
No, in our
Business, you know, wow.
Which kind people fit buy the thing where you want.
Okay.
How much you want to sell them.
Okay.
Now, all of these things will come together to the kind packaging where you go give them.
Okay.
Then today, because the truth about the matter be say, no matter how these things fine, if people don't talk about them, people don't go buy them. So first thing where you go to look as a business today, now how you go take make noise about the thing where
you they sell, where you they sell.
Yes, okay. How about the thing where you they sell? How you go take make noise about the thing where you they sell? Now where they looking down for face?
Okay, how you go take make noise about the thing where you sell? Then a one. Then
when you don't arrange the thing finish, you go come start to the talk, say, okay, now I don't start to they make the noise. How go ensure say the people where they come? Because one thing where they say first trial, then if the thing no sweet, as you take talk and people will vex.
They go come out.
And the thing where they talk be say, if 10 people talk say this thing good,
now so people go take
20 people go talk say the thing bad.
And you know say they sweet for those kind of place where they go barb hair, you they go
salon. The go they flow.
They go say, oh boy.
They call it word of mouth.
You know,
word of mouth. Because again, to start to make people know about business, they cost money. So small businesses, they most times you go advise them they use innovative things
Facebook, Twitter, Instagram.
You feel use all those kind ones, and you go still use them because check them. If you enter Facebook today, like 20 people don't tell you say, "May you can't watch this, can't watch this, can't watch this." You go one look for things. Okay, maybe we talk one of our brothers, Bovi. These skits where they do, where go those now skits give them.
Of course, edge.
Give them. So now those kinds of things, if you check them well, you go see say it not to cost, but you just use in creativity, arrange one or two things, we go arrange to take. Yes, so you go look your thing, no as you go take push them, but again, you go still depend on the kind of thing where you they sell. The kind of people where you they sell to.
That way, now you go take know how far I go take push the matter. Anyway, double toilet to Oga Chika Nwokoye brand strategies na Oga Chika be. Oga Chika go come back next week Monday. Will also be Ministry Monday. So that because things plenty when they be saying keep talk about, they go talk about how you go take advertise your business, marketing of your business, how you go make sure your market sell, things where you go do, how to make sure say people they come to you alone, all those things plenty. We go make your business grow. And I make us say okay, make you bring Oga Chika make in teacher on top of the thing. Now next week Monday he go come back. I'm not gonna vex. Say we start the show late today. Not be waiting we plan. And a computer, their head go to the left, everything you want to the left, Beyonce.
We they go easy, just quiet things.
Before kind of come up for inside studio today, double toilet. Oga Chika, we don't know whether you go like give your phone number out in case they want call you. You go like give your phone number. I've been at Twitter or Instagram.
Okay, may I give my number?
Oh yeah, give your phone number.
080-30-750161.
Call him again.
080-30-750161.
Donalicious go call you now.
You don't marry?
You don't marry?
Don't marry.
Oh, and you know, I use the ass. That telephone number, the public.
Anyway, double toilet to Oga Chika, double toilet to Kati. Our producer has minimum K-Mos, K-Solo.
Thank you.